Welcome to Your Health with Joan London, presented by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention.
Hi, I'm Joan London. 29 million Americans in our country have diabetes, and 25% of them don't even know it. And that is pretty scary because if left untreated, diabetes can lead to serious complications, including blindness. Today I am joined by Janan Sadine from the CDC, and it's good to have you here.
Thank you.
Now, how prevalent is diabetes as being the cause of blindness?
Diabetes is the leading cause of blindness among working-age adults.
Well, that's amazing. I mean, because 29 million Americans have diabetes.
It is very scary, but the good news is 90% of the vision loss caused by diabetes can be prevented.
And how?
By people with diabetes, they have to see their eye doctor regularly, at least once a year, to have an eye exam, because diabetic eye disease has no early signs or symptoms. The only way you can detect it is by the eye exam.
So you can be going about your life, living your life, driving your car, everything's fine, no symptoms?
Yes, you can have 20/20 vision, you can do everything, and the damage is happening inside the eye. The only way to detect it is by the eye exam. But unfortunately, 50% of people with diabetes don't even see their eye doctor.
Oh
as
my
recommended.
Gosh. And we should also say, in addition to seeing the eye doctor, they also have to be going regularly to the internist, right?
Definitely. It's a teamwork. In addition to having the regular eye exam, they need to make sure that they're controlling their blood sugar, because it is the most effective way to prevent diabetic eye disease and to avoid vision loss. So it's a teamwork of internists, educators, and eye care professionals.
All right, thank you so much. So if you have diabetes, make sure you get that dilated eye exam every year. And also you can go to cdc.gov/diabetestv for more information. I'm Joan London.
Sponsored by NACDD with support from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Visit cdc.gov/diabetestv.